It's just the kind of flowers and stuff that grow there in the alpine regions. Oh, look, it's a waterfall, guys.
No, don't do that to me.
Whoa, that looks awesome. Sorry, babe.
I looked up. There's a waterfall right here. Right there, yeah.
We'll stop next time and get a picture.
Saya Creek.
SIYEH.
Oh, we can see the waterfall now. Woohoo!
That's waterfall coming off of a glacier. That's glacier melt.
Up there.
I mean, it's like way up, too.
You know what else is way up? Us. We're way up.
Would you rather me not comment? Because I cannot comment if it makes it worse for you.
Just don't say look everybody. Say look kids.
Hey, kids.
I will play this in reverse.
Yeah. Kids, look out Dad's side.
Oh, jeez. Stop, that is bad. Look at all that snow over there, y'all. Wow. Oh, there's some way down there.
Probably won't get out to look at some of these things with all the children.
Well, maybe we don't let the children out, but we just pull over so we can take a couple of pictures and then be like, okay, next. Okay, there's more waterfalls coming up on my side. You will. Oh, cool, it's a tunnel.
Right there.
There's a waterfall.
Yeah, there's several of them.
Here's a bigger waterfall right here.
Yeah, here's a big